Welcome to the University of Pavia. I am Alma, and I will tell you all about studying at the university. Let's start with your institutional email address. Once you have successfully enrolled, the instructions to activate it will be sent to the email address that you provided during enrollment. All the official communication is sent here, so don't forget to check it regularly. Moving on to the student portal. You can access it through the following website. Your tax code is your login ID, and the password is sent to your institutional email address. The same login and password are used to access the Università Wi-Fi. The student portal is a very essential platform. Here you can check your enrollment status and pay your fee. Oversee your academic progress, your exams calendar and grades including your overall average. Fill in your study plan. Print self-certifications. Upload required documents such as your permit of stay. And apply for the part-time jobs offered by the university. To make things easier, you can use the official app of the University of Pavia, called My UniPV. On the homepage you can check your classes schedule in agenda, while the dashboard lets you review your academic performance, credits earned and your overall average. You can also view your exams calendar and book the exams you want to take. Check the grades on the exam board as soon as they are published and accept or reject them as per your choice. The booklet allows you to see the registered grades of the exams passed. My UniPV app is available both on iOS and Android. Scan these QR codes to download it right away. Next up, we have the e-learning platform called Kiro. It can be accessed via the same credentials you use for the student portal. Here you can enroll to the courses you are taking. All the course materials are uploaded here, as well as the recorded lectures. Professors also communicate with you through messages here. Now moving on to exams, so pay attention. The minimum grade you need to pass is 18 out of 30. You can also achieve full score with honors. I will be so proud if you do. You must book for the exam you plan to take within the deadline. You can do so on both the student portal and the My UniPV app. Since there are multiple exam sessions, you have the possibility to reject a grade and retake the exam in the next session. The mode of exam depends on the course and the professor. The Università staff is always happy to be at your service. To visit the welcome office, please follow these timings. For admissions office, book an appointment through the following website. You can use the same website to book an appointment at the help desk for permit of stay. And here are some other useful contacts for you. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to watch the other Welcome series videos. Good luck!